Yes, we're in. Okay, so back to the saddle again. So I think y'all know this one real nice. You know the subtraction rule for division and logs. Got that part. Log of 8 halves is log of 8 minus log of 2, same base that you started with. Keep that consistent. This one, 3 comes out front. This is one of the big reasons we use logs is because they undo exponents. It means you can take that crazy exponent, you can undo it, pop it off, and take it out front, which we've been doing for a couple of days now, so this is pretty familiar. But that's one of its biggest. It takes care of, it undoes exponents so that we can get down to solving like we know how to. Now, expanding logarithms, let's just take it to the hilt. We're going to go to, this one's a bunch of multiplying in here. We're just going to apply all these rules. We got log of 8 times x times y to the 4th, so that's log of 8 plus log of x plus, now, log of y to the 4th. Oh, but yes, you can apply 2 rules at once. So we're going to pull the 4 out of that one. 4 log y, and write the rest out. This is totally expanded. That means apply all possible log rules, please. Like that. Looks like logy. 4 logy. For logy. Next one. This one. It's a quotient, dividing things. So you take, hey, it's natural log, by the way. So you keep the same base when you expand. We've learned the lesson on that one. Don't change the base, since you're an ace of base, Malik. I saw the sign, and it opened up my mind, and now I'm happy now living without you. I left you, oh, oh, oh. I told you, I really know this song. Okay, there it is. You see my subtraction? But I can do more. X squared plus 5. You better start taking care of x. If you've got something you can write as an exponent, it might behoove you to do it, dealing with this and simplifying it a little bit, or expanding it some more. Because see that now, that 1/2 power? Guess where that's going? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoops, too many signs. Isn't that cool? Now, guess what you can't do? There is no rule for the log of 2 things that are added. Keep in mind, the log of 2 things multiplied can be split. You cannot do anything with the log of a sum. Don't mess with this. That's not, there's no rule for the sum of inside a log. You can't break that apart or do anything cool. I know it has similar properties to our product rule up here, where if I have the log of 2 things multiplied, I can split it up, like we did in these 2 examples, 1 and 4. But be careful, the log of a sum, we don't have a sum rule. There's no log of a sum that we do anything with. All right, keep on going. I'll keep you guys. Log base 3, keep it log base 3, but ooh, what? Ooh, look at that. See that 4 over there, that exponent? Yeah, we don't like you, 4. So we pull you out to the front. Now it's 9x. Now this is not the only way to attack this one. It's one way. But I see those exponents and I usually pull them out front. Now that 4 is part of any expansion that I do. So this is one route to this problem. I'll show you another in a moment. So I would do 4 log, and I might just pull the 4 out. This might be more productive. Log base 3 of 9x squared minus log of y, but it's base 3, of course. So that 4 that I pulled out is still part of it. So you can either factor out the 4 like I did and leave it out front, or you're welcome to put it with each of these logs separately and distribute it. Both are fine. Okay. Now, that's pretty good, but is there anything else you want to do in there? Do you want to take out that squared in there? You want to do that? You better be careful if you want to, because the power rule for that log business, this is only the x that's squared. Whoopsie. Just the x that's squared. So unless you want to rewrite that as a special form, I would leave it as is. It's not the whole thing squared. you could only factor that out if the following were true. If you rewrote this as 3x squared, that means the whole thing you're logging, you can take that exponent out front now. Do you kind of see how that's different? You can only take an exponent out if it's an exponent of the whole thing you're doing the loggy log with. All right, does that mean you have to go? Darn it. All right, let me finish this one off and call it good. I'm gonna put my 2 out front, 2 loggy base 3, 3x, oh yeah, minus, uh-oh, it's getting tight over here, log base 3y. Okay, that one is not the only route to solving this one. We'll pick up there mañana. So that leaves, you guys are ready to take on, you can finish 3-2, which is due tonight. You can start 3-3 and get through most of that. 3-3 due tomorrow night. It says Saturday night? Okay, I like tomorrow, 3-3's due Saturday night. That's right. Yeah, whatever. That's a Saturday night, I think, and then Monday night for the others. So you've had some time. Look at your calendar on your